So currently this is my bathroom and these are really good. If you guys could see that, just make sure you take out the plastic, all right, to get them activated. I do have tile and these work on even tile like this. Look at this. So if I don't have anything to hang, I could hang my towels in here or I could put it in the glass. That's an option. I put it on my mirror right now, as you can see, but this is perfect because all you got to do is you can hang your towels, you can hang anything you want in there out of this one. But one of the best things about it, I like about it, when I take this off, look at that. Just corner it, put it in here, lock it in place, and it goes in there. So you could hang your towel in there. So when you come out of the shower, you don't have that. That's perfect. Taking it off, easy as that. Indoors, you need extra hooks or something, you can have that there. But for now, we're gonna keep it in here. Put it in here, push it up, it locks in place. So if you guys are looking for extra hooks, simple, anywhere, glass, marble, tile. Hope you guys enjoy the video.